Hey, hi guys, welcome to PCF. In our previous video, so we learned about the primary key. Okay, we learned about the primary key, right? So now in this video, we are going to learn about the foreign key. Okay, we learn about the foreign key. Foreign key is always to foreign key always to take the reference from the primary key, guys. Okay, from parent table. Okay, from primary key. So that means it's always foreign key is mainly for creating a relationship, guys. Okay, creating a relationship. Okay, so you may get the interview questions like what is the referential integrity and all. Okay, so we'll discuss that in details. Okay, condition, guys. Okay, so condition to create a relationship between tables. Okay, first, what are the conditions we have? So we'll see that. Okay, what are the condition? The first condition, table should contains the one table should have the primary key and another table should have the foreign key to create a relationship between the tables. Okay, that is the first condition, guys. Okay, the first condition is first point. Okay, one table should have one table should contain should contains or primary key, and another table should contain foreign key, guys. Okay, within the same table also. Okay, within the same table also we can have a foreign keys, guys. Okay, no problem. Okay, foreign keys will be multiple. Okay, foreign keys will be multiple, guys. Okay, so not in a single one. Okay, so per table we can create a 99 foreign keys, no problem. Okay, so 999 foreign keys we can create a table. Okay, so that's not an issue. But one more condition, guys. Okay, one more condition, both table columns. Okay, both columns in a table. Okay, common column. Okay, we should have a common column in a both tables. Okay, so okay, third point, a common column. Okay, a common column in a both table. Okay, both tables should have a common column, both tables, guys. Okay, both table. And third point, data type should be match. Okay, data type should be match. Okay, both in both tables. Okay, common column data type should be common column data type should be match in both tables. Okay, guys, these are the four conditions where you create a relationship between uh, primary key and foreign key. And to create a foreign key, okay, to create a foreign key, this is the syntax, guys. Okay, foreign key, a column name, a reference. Okay, so reference from which table? Okay, parent table. Okay, so what is the column name? Okay, so from the parent table. Okay, if you already created, so we'll discuss this one later. Okay, now so we'll create a table, guys. Okay, for now we'll create a table. Now for now we'll create a table. First we'll create a parent table. Okay, so first we'll create a parent table. Okay, so create a table name. Okay, tbl product table. Okay, you can say product table. Okay, in the product table you have a product number, guys. Okay, product number is a primary key. Okay, product key something you can say product key is int. Okay, product key into not null. Okay, not null. This is a primary key. Okay, I'm not explaining again primary key creation and all. Okay, I'm not going into details. And then product name. Okay, and then product name varchar 20. Okay, and then varchar 20, and then so again price something like that. Okay, price again money. Okay, and what else we have? Something. Okay, so price and quantity. Okay, quantity. Okay, again int. Okay, So we can close it and then we can create. Okay, this is the product table. And next you can say sales table or, okay, you can say sales table or whatever it may be, guys. Okay, so let me explain it. Okay, how it will work and all. Okay, let me explain here. So suppose you have a product table and a product ID. Okay, product ID or product key. Okay, product key is there, and then name is there. Okay, so let me zoom it. Okay, let me zoom it. Okay, so name is there. Okay, and then price and then quantity. Okay, so if you have a sales table, okay, if you have a sales table, so suppose here you have a product ID P001 and then so P002 and three products are there. Okay, in my master table. So this is master table, you can say it's a parent table, guys. Okay, so one is a bike, something like that. Okay, bike or cars or laptops. Okay, these are the laptops. Okay, and desktop, something like that. Okay, desktop. Okay, something like that. And price something. Okay, you can, it's a random thing, guys. Okay, so just 30,000 and 40,000, 50,000 and some 60,000 like that. Okay, and then quantity some 5, 10, okay, 15 and 20, something like this. Okay, so now if okay, so the order table. Okay, suppose here also in order table, also in sales table also, you will have a product key. Okay, so the name may be different. Okay, the name may be different. Okay, but that is a reference, guys. Okay, so it will take the reference from where, guys? Okay, it will take the reference from here. Okay, so whether if you have a product key here, then only the product number is here, then only the order will make. Okay, otherwise it will not make the order. Okay, that is called a referential integrity, guys. Okay, that is called referential integrity. Suppose if you try to enter P005, it will not make a order for that. Okay, it will not make a order for that. Okay, let me, okay, so order product key and then price, what is the price for that, and how much quantity is taking. Okay, how many is taking. Okay, so something like that. Okay, suppose, okay, date. Okay, on which date he is taking. Okay, in which date he is taking. Okay, something like that. Okay, so if I keep P001, okay, it may have the duplicates, guys. Okay, Foreignkey may have the duplicates. Okay, P001 and same customer. Okay, so same product you can take multiple times. Okay, so per table you can have a multiple keys also, even customer key also we can have here. Okay, customer key and date key and some other keys. Okay, location key and all keys. Okay, multiple keys you can have in a primary key. Okay, reference table. Okay, this is the parent table and this is the child table, guys. Okay, child table can have a multiple foreign keys, no problem. And even parent table also, parent table itself also you can have a foreign keys. Okay, within the same table also you can have that we'll discuss. Okay, when we will go with the self join, something like that. Okay, we'll discuss within that same table also we can have a foreign keys. Okay, that we'll discuss later session. Okay, price. Okay, price something 30,000 like that, and then so and quantity he makes. Okay, so some two, something like that, and then a date. Okay, some date. Okay, so like that, so you can go with this date. Okay, sorry. Okay, so some 01/01/2022. Okay, so like that we can make a order. So if you try to insert some other record, it will not make a entry. Okay, it will not make an entry. Okay, so we'll try to keep this data in a product table and we'll create a foreign key and then we'll try to keep it. Okay, so this is the data we have. Okay, let me create a, okay, so just we'll create insert functionality and then we'll keep the data. Oops. Okay, okay, so I will Okay, so we'll make comma. Okay, it's an integer, right? So right now, so we'll write a insert functionality. Okay, so first of all, we'll create the table. Okay, first of all, we'll create the table. So create a product table, and then so it's already existed. Okay, that means we have already created. Okay, so in insert, okay, insert into tbl table name and values. Okay, so these are the values case. Okay, so you can write a brackets, close bracket, and then open bracket and close bracket. Okay, comma. So we forgot to add comma. That is the reason it's giving error. Okay, okay, comma. Okay, so now execute it, guys. Okay, so here, even here also you need to add a comma. The last one is don't require comma. Okay, so we'll insert the data. So it's inserted P001. Oh, sorry, it's a so you can write, so you can remove the P001, guys. Okay, it's not text actually, so it's a it's a number. Okay, you can remove it. So it's a number data, right? So you can remove it, and then yeah. So now execute it. Guys, so are you getting? So this product key is a integer we have given. Okay, that is the reason. So that is the reason I'm inserting the data. Okay. So now it's executed. Okay. So 3 records are executed. Okay, 4 records are executed. Now, so we'll see that case. Okay. So whether it's executed or not. Okay. Select star from stable, and then we'll see whether this executed or not. Okay, just execute it. Okay, so it's executed. Okay, now, okay, that means it has taken only 1 2 3. Okay, so this is not considering the front of the zeros. Okay, no problem. Okay, so we'll create a one more table, sales table, guys. Okay, so we'll create a one more table, sales table. So to create a foreign key, right? Okay, create, okay, table. Okay, so that is sales table. Okay, sales table, and then that is like again. Okay, so again product key. Okay, so you can specify product key. Okay, and int. Okay, not null. Okay, so you can specify null also. Okay, this is a foreign key. Okay, so while creating, what is the syntax, guys? Okay, while creating a table, okay, foreign key. Okay, you have to specify foreign key and column name and the parent. Okay, so you can specify the foreign key, guys. Okay, foreign key. So even last we will specify. Okay, this is the integer and price. Okay, okay, anyhow we have here, right? So we'll take this copy, same copy. Okay, price and quantity. Okay, you can take price and quantity and date. Okay, so quantity is enough. Date we'll see later. Okay, date is not mandatory field. Okay, we'll see this one. And here you can add the primary key. After this, okay, all columns you can write a foreign key, guys. Okay, how you are going to write? So foreign key and the column name, reference, and parent table. Okay, let's take a copy. Okay, let's take a copy. So even okay, let's take a copy, and then here we can write a foreign key and the column name, guys. Okay, foreign key. What is the column name? Foreign key column name. You can take a foreign key. This is the foreign key. And what is the parent table here? Okay, so which table you are referencing? Okay, so this is the parent table, guys. Okay, what is this? TBL prod is a product key. Product table is a parent table, and which column you are referencing? Okay, again, so from parent table you are referencing. Okay, parent table, parent prod key is you are referencing. Okay, primary key. Okay, so you have to give a primary key which you are referencing. Okay, So now create a table. Okay, now create a table and then execute it. Okay, it's executed. Now you will try to insert the data. Okay, if you try to insert the data, so insert, okay, insert into, okay, this table, okay, values, okay, again, 1, okay, that's fine, okay, 1 and price something 30,000, okay, and quantity some 3, okay. So then execute case. Okay, values you have to return, right? So right, I forget to write values. Okay, values. Okay, then execute it. Okay, it will execute. Why? Because 1 is there already. Okay, 1 is there in the primary key case. Okay, so if you try to execute from here and then sales table. Okay, so we'll write a sales table execution also. Okay. Okay, select star from the sales table. Okay, so it's executed. Okay, it's executed. So it is taking reference from where? From year to year. Okay, if you try to execute, okay, so if you try to insert fifth number, okay, there is no product number 5. Okay, if you try to insert the product number 5, guys, okay, if you try to insert the product number 5, it will not take. Okay, let me insert that record, guys. Okay, if I keep this product number 5, okay, so there is no product number 5 in the parent table, guys. Okay, try to understand, then only it will insert, otherwise it will not insert something. Okay, 50,000 you can keep, and then okay, so the quantity also you can keep 3, no problem. Okay, but it will not take this time, it will give the foreign key violation. Okay, that is the foreign key violation, guys. Okay, see, that means it will take the reference from the parent table. Okay, it will take the reference from the parent table, and then only so it will insert the data. Okay, in the supermarket, guys. Okay, in previous session also we have taken the example. Okay, if you go to the supermarket, so the salesman trying to scan that. Okay, trying to scan that order, even product number, but it will not scan. Okay, it will not scan because of what? Okay, so the product table, it's not there in the product table, because of that it's not scanning. Okay, that is the reason you cannot make the order. Okay, you cannot make the order. So now because of that reason, okay, we cannot make. So again, what he will do, he will do the, okay, manually, he will do the manual entry in a product table. Okay, manual entry in a product table. How he will do manual entry? So some other, okay, some he will give the some product number here. Okay, and then he will make it as a other miscellaneous or some other. Okay, and then he will give some price, and then some quantity he will make, and then only he can make entry here. Okay, then only once he make the entry in a product table, then only he make. Okay, so if you observe that he will enter manually, and then only he can give a sales. Okay, then only he can make an order, otherwise he cannot make the order. Okay, that way the referential integrity will work, guys. Okay, referential integrity means it will take the reference from parent table. Okay, so parent table to a child table. This is the parent table and this is the child table, guys. Okay, so product table is a parent table and sales table is a child table, guys. Okay, so always, okay, whatever the products are there, then only you can make it order. Okay, this is about the foreign key. Okay, so if already create table already created, you forget to make a reference, then how you will create? Okay, suppose let me drop this. Okay, let me drop this table. Okay, so let me drop this table. Okay, go here and then drop it. Drop table name, and then so close it, and then okay, so you try to add a you forgot to add a foreign key here in a creating a table. Okay, so let's execute. Okay, it's executed. Okay, this time you can insert any kind of data case. Okay, no problem. Okay, if the parent table is whether it's existed in the parent table or not, and it will not take. Okay, so if you execute it, it will execute. Okay, it will take. What happened? Sales table is not there. Invalid object, it's not created or what? Okay, so execute it, so it's created. Okay, so if you execute this one, it will take this time. Okay, why? Because okay, it's not there is no reference. right? So that is the reason. Okay, so you can truncate the data now. So we'll create a again, so sorry. So truncate table name. Okay, truncate table name. Okay, you can create a truncate table name. Okay, so now there is no data. Okay, you can create a reference case. Okay, how we can create existing table? So we have seen, guys. Okay, add alter table name, add constraint name. So from here to here it's same. Okay, for all everything is same, but referencing, okay, reference, this is the different case. Okay, so you can, if whenever you want to add constraint, okay, add constraint, alter, okay, table name. Okay, sales is our table name. Okay, and add constraint. Okay, so it's a foreign key, right? You can write you can specify foreign key and then table name. Okay, and which column you want to make its reference. Okay, when in which column you want to make it reference. So that is a product key, so you can keep that. So this is the naming convention, guys. Okay, naming convention should be unique. Okay, that is the reason. Okay, and then foreign key. Okay, so this is the foreign key. You can write. Okay, where is that? Okay, so foreign key. Okay, so this foreign key you can write, and then you can specify the column name. Okay, so this is the foreign key, and you can specify the column name, guys. Okay, what is the column name? Product key is a column name, but from where it is taking the reference, you have to write now. Okay, so from where it is taking the reference, okay, you can specify the reference. Okay, reference, spelling mistake, so you can take this one, reference. Okay, so reference. Okay, reference from which table? Okay, TBL product table. On which column? Okay, so TBL product table, and which column? Again, it's a product key. Okay, it's a product key. Now you can create this. Okay, and then execute. So this way we can create a foreign key, guys. Okay, if you forget to add the foreign key in a table, so now if you try to insert this one, it will not take. Why? Because it's not there in the parent table. Guys, hope it's clear. Okay, so if that means, so the table relationship has been established. Okay, the table, okay, if it is not inserting means the table relationship has been established. Okay, this is about the foreign key, guys. Okay, hope you understand. If you want to drop the constraint again, okay, drop the constraint, alter table name. Okay, alter table name, and then drop constraint. Okay, drop constraint name, guys. Okay, so drop constraint. Okay, even from here also you can delete. Okay, from here also you can delete. From even script wise also you can delete this. Okay, constraint name. Okay, this is the constraint name. Okay, this way you can drop it. So we have seen how to add and how to drop also. Okay, so the for remaining constraints also you can do like this, guys. Okay, no problem. Okay, so that way. Okay, so if you want to add it, you can add it like this. Okay, so it's dropped and added. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Okay, hope you enjoy this class. Okay, if you like the video, please share and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And then for more videos, guys. Okay, for more videos on MSBI and SQL and Power BI, please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.